How to install a new mining app which is called doctorx. We're going to install, download and open it, and let's see how the app goes about. So let's go, guys. What we need to do is we're going to open our Play Store for Android user, App Store for iPhone user. So let's go to our Play Store, open our Play Store, and when you open your Play Store, what you need to do is go to the search bar and search for doctorx. You can see how I write it. You can use capital letter. There's no how you write it. Once you write it, click on, I think this is it here. You can see the first one here. Click on it. Once you click on it like this, it's going to bring install. So I'm going to click on install. I'm going to install it. Let's wait for it to install. Is a new mining app. Guys, let's start our mining. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, I think it has started installing. Let's wait for it to install finish. And after that, we're going to see how the apps look like. And let's start mining. Okay, let's read. Okay, it is completed the downloading. It's within the installing part, so it started installing. So let's wait for it. Once it is still finished, we're going to open it and see what is inside the app. So guys, as we are waiting, please subscribe and drop a comment. Okay guys, it's done. So let's click on open. Okay, the apps, click on open. Yeah, this is it. So the guys, the app has been opened. Oh wow, this is it. This is how it looks like. Okay, now so we're going to sign up now. So I'm going to use my email address to sign up. So let's sign up. Okay, so click on sign up. Now they have sent the code to my email address. So I'm going to enter the code. So you go to your Gmail address. Let's go to our Gmail. Go to your Gmail. Let's find let's find the code. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, this is it. I think it was called iSlab. So let's go to, just click on it. And this is it, 954. That is the code. I'm going to enter it. So let's go and put it 954. So once you get it, click on 954. You can see, and this is it. It has automatically loading. So let's wait for it a little. Yeah, so that's the next step, the next step, the next step, next step. You can see now, click your nickname. Just write your nickname here. So I'm going to write my nickname. This is it. Click on next step after your nickname. Okay, so I'm going to put something there. The next thing is click on next step. So if you have anyone that invites you, so nobody invites me here. So what I'm going to do is, once somebody invites me, so guys, once you enter this now, just click on complete and you're done. You have automatically opened your doctorx. So guys, found this video helpful. Smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. Stay tuned. The next video is coming very soon.